If your chainsaw won't start, here are the top 5 most probable causes. Due to carbon buildup and a weakened electrode, the spark plug will degrade over time, which can prevent the chainsaw from starting. You should inspect the spark plug for damage or wear. You can also use an ignition tester to help determine if the spark plug is defective. As a general guideline, we recommend replacing the spark plug once a year. The residue that results from old fuel being left in the tank can create a restriction in the carburetor. This is why you should always use fresh fuel when filling the tank, and a fuel stabilizer to help maintain the quality of the fuel. For better stability, you can use a pre-mixed fuel and oil product that is ethanol-free. You can try cleaning the carburetor with carburetor cleaner to eliminate the clog. If cleaning is not effective, you can often purchase a carburetor repair kit to replace some of the components, or install a new carburetor altogether. Old or bad fuel can also create a clog in the fuel filter, which can prevent the chainsaw from starting. We recommend replacing the filter with a new one. If the starter's recoil spring is broken, the rope won't be able to recoil onto the pulley, resulting in the chainsaw not starting. Many recoil springs can be replaced individually, but it may be easier to replace the whole recoil starter assembly. The recoil starter itself could be malfunctioning and unable to engage with the chainsaw engine crankshaft. Again, the starter assembly can be replaced to solve the problem. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product to find the specific replacement part that will fix your chainsaw.